Hi and welcome to the 3 minutes of grammar. In today's video, I will give you an easy tip in order to know any given word its gender. If you are new and fresh in Arabic and have no idea on what am I talking about, well, Arabic and French is slightly similar in grammar if you would like to compare it in the terms of English. For instance, in English we have he, she, and it. In French we have il or elle, and no such a thing called it. All nouns are either a masculine or a feminine. Same goes with Arabic. There is no it. And for today's video, I will be giving you an easy tip to identify any given noun, its gender. All nouns are masculine as long as they don't follow these 6 rules. Rule 1. You can identify a noun if it is a feminine, if it is a girl's name. For instance, Reem, Bint, Ukht. Rule 2. Any body paired part. Any organ in your body that is impaired, including the eyes, هذه عيني, هذه يدي, would be a feminine noun. Rule 3. All countries, cities, إنها بريطانيا, هذه New York, all are feminine nouns. Rule 4. Any word that ends with a تاء مربوطة, like تفاحة, is a straight feminine noun. Rule 5. Any word that ends with a mad alif, أخضرا, أحمرا, is again a feminine noun. Rule 6 and the last rule. Any word that ends with a ya, this type of ya, it's called alif al-maqsura, is a feminine word like قطرات الندى. And of course there are some exceptional words, but the 6 rules are everything you need to follow. Example of an exceptional feminine words: ريح, شمس, أرض. And before I end this video, I'd like to tell you regarding the career. For instance, a doctor, طبيب, طبيبة, add a تاء مربوطة, and it's gonna be a feminine female doctor. محاسب, محاسبة, just add a تاء مربوطة. And that's how Arabic goes. مع السلامة.